Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit or modify text in a text box in Google Spreadsheet. Now I will edit this text in this text box. Simply click on this text box and here you will find this three dot option. Click here. Now select edit option and drawing tool will open and double click on this text box and here you can remove your text, select and remove text. Also, I'll make this text bold and italic. Click this three dot option. I'll make it bold and italic. Also, you can underline this text and you can increase, decrease font size if you like. See this. And you can align your text. You can center. You can justify a line. I'll make it left align. Here also you can add bullet point and say this is bullet point. Also you can add numbering. You can add increase, decrease, indent. You can highlight your text. I'll highlight this text and choose your highlight color. This color and see this text now highlighted and so on. Also you can increase, decrease this text box font size if you like. Yeah, this is, and finally select save and close.